recording. Alright, we're recording. Alright. Going out my door. Oh, I see Carrie out there. Oh my goodness, the snow we got. Woo-wee. Yeah, I'm recording right now, Carrie, so wave hi. Cars are cleaned, and I can see where I'm going perfectly fine. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I got a clean spot here for my car. Still got a little snow here. Yeah, I'll post this video later so everybody can see this. I think I'm probably the first one who's taking their VR out in the snow. The car's pretty clean. My little skunk. Yeah, it's frozen. Oh my god, look at the snow pile here. Let me go here. Whew. Yeah, the street's pretty clean over here. Yeah, these snow drifts. Hey, stand in front of this so people can see how freaking high that snow is. Yeah, that's freaking high. It's like up to your waist and a little more. Actually, it's higher over here in Paul's yard. I can still see my other stuff from my VR over there. Look at the mailbox is like got a nice little house of snow. Well, he's got a snowblower, so see, he was able to get through here with no problem. We just need to get one of those same machines. You moved too far. Yeah. Well, I'm good. Still recording. I see the little red light on in the screen, so people are gonna think I'm a freaking alien walking around. Look how high this is over here on the right. The street's not icy. Morning. No, doing a little video. Oh, it looks like everybody got cleaned out. They can come out of their driveways. But, I mean, just because the street's clean doesn't mean we should be going out. No, I can still see my stuff way over there. Did this one get out? I don't think so. Well, let me close this again. Yeah, because I'm too far. Oh, what's that? There's a snowblower down there. Where's, did we pass what's her name's driveway? The one from across the street, Kanye or whatever? Oh, I'm like, I thought there was another house over here. There's a little screen that keeps popping up, says you moved too far from your location. So I just got to keep closing it. Are those kids down there? We'll do a little video going on down here, and then we'll go back. All right, where are we gonna go? You want to just go back up? Because that looks pretty clean down that way. Everything's pretty good over here. This one's cleaned out too over here. There's a lot of trees. I don't know which ones are broken and whatnot, but there's a lot of snow stuck on the trees. Look at that branch right there, just waiting to just snap. I can still see my freaking things from the house, from my VR. My little mirror thing, you can still see it back there. Even though I'm way out there. Whee! Close. I think there's a way to turn that off so it doesn't pop up. I can just go wherever. Yeah, this is crazy. Well, at least the street's clean. Yeah. I wonder if they move. Well, if this is clean, I wonder if they move that tree. That's on Boston Road. Oh, car coming. Look at that. All right, we're back at the house. Yep. All right, let me go put this back in the house. Walk back that way. And come back out and we'll go up the street and see what's going on. Whew, I gotta grab my other hat. Yeah, this is all packed. Whew. Come on. Come on. This. See if I can get these.